Hello, hello. I hope so you guys are listening me, right? Let me. Are you guys listening me? So, guys, we are pumping. Before anything happens, the price is pumping. So, basically, let me give you the overall thing like what is actually I am planning for BTC. And we will, if the trade is given, I will take the trade. But before this, let me just adjust the music first. Now let's get going. So guys, basically, we if I share this thing with you guys, already shared this exact thing with you guys in the Twitter. Probably on higher time frames, I'm looking for BTC around 84K. So this is what I'm personally expecting. Once we break above this, then I am not. But for now, as long as we stay below this, UTED, or whatever you guys want to say this is ABC correction to the downside. This is what we can say right now currently. Specifically, if we talk about this current structure right now, if we talk about this current structure, support, 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 it turn into a support turn into resistance. So sorry, resistance, 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 resistance turn into a support right now. So personally, what we should expect now, I am personally expecting this A B C structure to the downside, right? This is what I'm personally looking at on BTC. But for this, we need to lose this area. For now, as long as we hold this area, we can send the price back to this area or even up. This is one way, while this would be another way. So one plan is this long, while the other one is this swing short. So these are the two plans I have. If you guys have any questions or anything, you guys can definitely tag me, right? If you guys can definitely tag me in the comment box if you guys have any question or anything. Hello, guy. Hello, every single person. If you guys have any question, you guys can definitely ask in the comment section so we can definitely discuss it again. That what is basically happening for now. What I personally think, I told you guys that I am personally looking for this. Personally, right now, I'm looking for this low sweep, right? And then pump to the upside. Small recovery, then dump to the downside. This is what I'm personally looking at right now. And we will see what happens. But for now, I told you guys, there are two plans only. For me, I have only two plans on BTC. The first one is this pump towards highs and then dump to the downside, right? One thing is this plan. So I can definitely plan a swing short here within this area. That is one plan. The second personal plan is definitely low sweep right here, a local bottom, small pump, again a rejection within the range, and then down to the downside. Right? For now, I have only two triggers. One trigger is like we go straight up from here and then right here for a swing rejection, while the other trigger is definitely within this area. So for now, things are a little bit riskier. The price is already sitting at the support, right? But we have tested support like here, 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 here. So testing support means there is a weakness, right? A lot of if what you say, like, come on. So guys, this is the current support which we are. This is the support, right? So we are testing a support here, here, and here. So as long as we are testing the support, a lot of testing, like if you guys are testing the resistance for a lot of period of time, like this is the resistance, one test, second test, third test. For the fourth test, we break above it. So for now, the same thing is happening. We tested support again, again, again. So that's like fourth time. So what I personally think, we may see a breakdown. A lot of guys are looking for longs, right? But I personally am waiting for a trigger. I told you guys below this low. So this is the low. This is the first trigger. While if we pump from here, then I will look for some swing low short into this area. But for now, let's get to a smaller time frame so we can understand that what can basically happen and how we can trade it. So let's go to the smaller time frame to understand what is basically the structure, right? And the structure is very weird, to be very honest. The structure is not looking very well. Let me remove this. So basically, right now, this is the first low area, right? This is the first low area, and these were the highs. Within the weekend, these were basic highs, right? So we are definitely trading within this range, and now personally we should focus on the range. Right now we have took the sweep here, right? I don't know why I am personally sensing that they may pump the price to the upside, right? This is the current thing which is actually happening. Look at this, they are trying to break out, and this is the current thing. We will plan a trade because we can plan a long here, something like this, but I will wait for the confirmation. I missed this move to the downside personally, but I will definitely wait for now on BTC. The only thing is that I will definitely wait, right? Let's see. Let's see what happens. And look at this, the price is pumping to the upside. I cannot just go long here because the move is already happening. I cannot go long here till here. It can pump to the upside, but as I missed the bottom, I will not look for any new long because it can dump again to the downside. At least I will wait for the like candle closing, right? I can only wait for the candle closing right now. I personally don't trade these sort of trades. I was personally waiting for New York to dump the price below this area, and this is where I was looking for a long trade. For now, I will not open any new long. There is a wallet setup, but look, you guys can see this that there is a dump happening here. Look at this. Sellers are also in control somehow, and specifically on New York session, we usually see some sort of a very weird price action, right? We see very weird price actions, but we have to be very careful before entering any new long. We have to be very careful. Let's talk about this thing. This thing is also in a very hyped, right? So this is a lit coin, and right now it is forming some sort of a divergence here. If I show you, this is a divergence. We swept the lows, right? This is what I was talking about yesterday about lit. So we swept the lows here, and currently it should break above this area. Like this retest is somehow a thing where we can definitely go for a long, right? As we missed already the sweep, so going for a long here is not a good thing. I will definitely wait for this coin. Let me show you. I will wait for this coin to at least break this, right? And also this is also some sort of a wedge. So once we break above this breakout, then a retest and staying above this area is definitely for some sort of a long if I'm interested. So this is the only way. This is the only one which I'm definitely I guess one of our member already took this lit long, and he is definitely in profit. But personally, I missed it. I will only wait for this area, and even this is still a fragile long, right? This is still a fragile long, but this is the only one. Right now, Solana. Let me show you Solana. Solana have a very good what you say. Solana is looking good as well. Look at this. Solana is looking good here. Come on. So Solana is looking good. For me, Solana is one of the trade which I'm definitely looking at right now. So almost my trades are not trigger. My trade is not trigger. What's up, bro? When we can see BTC at 74k area? 74k, I will talk about it. Let me show you this. If you talk about 74k, right, I have to remove this. But personally, like me, let's not remove this. Usually, what happens if we have to go to 74k, right? If we have to go to 74k, this thing has to follow. And personally, uh, if this follows up and if this remains intact, if this high remains intact here, then what I can personally say and what I'm personally looking at, that at least till March, like we will lose these lows here, we will lose this low, and then this area some around like towards March or March end in Q1, then I think so we will see 74k if this plays out, right? If this thing plays out the way it is. So the only thing I see is till Q1 we will see a local bottom 74k, maybe then recovery to the upside, and then again dump if there is a dump. Like if there is a dump, then we can definitely dump to the downside, and some around 60k to 48k. This is going to be our bottom. The chart is very ugly. I'm showing you very ugly stuff, but I already talked about this thing, that where we can reach 74k area, where we can reach that area specifically. Personally, I am thinking, right? Let me mark this Q1 local bottom. So, some around between March and February, I am personally thinking that we can definitely reach this 74k zone, which you are talking about. And personally, for this, we need to break and we need to follow this exact structure which I showed you guys. So this is something which I am also looking at, right? But for now, I told you guys this is what I'm personally looking at on BTC on higher time frames. Lose this, some sort of a local recovery, and then dump to the downside. As long as we stay below this area, this is what I'm looking at. Right now, this is a Solana, right? This is Solana. This is my Solana short trade. If it's given, you guys can definitely take it. Already, it tapped this order block. Already, it tapped this order block. And the simple plan of Solana is, if you talk about Solana, come on. If you talk about Solana, Solana is definitely trading within this specific range from a very long period of time, right? And this is why I shared my trigger on my X, that I will look for a short trade, and that trade is already triggered. You guys can exactly see this, that trade is already triggered here, right here. So if you missed this, right, if you missed this trigger, I already shared this trigger. If you missed this, then we can definitely see this specific trade. This is the only short trade which we should be looking at. This is the short trade which we should look at. Right, on Solana, this is what I'm personally looking at, and it looks good, like good RR. What do you think it goes from here? Let brother, I told you, right? This is the sweep, right? It's in front of you guys. I was talking about this on my X when we were trading here. When we were trading here within this area, I told you guys that we can definitely go for this sweep, and we swept. And now, right now, currently the price is pumping. We need to, like, there is 1 hour close. I need a good what you say, a good reaction from BTC and specifically from this coin. And this thing confirms, like, you guys, if anybody longed already, as in my Discord, a lot of guys longed. So if you have long on lit, then you guys can definitely wait for this breakout, then retest. Then you guys are little bit in a good control. For now, the structure is still weak. It can little bit pump and then again dump to the downside. So the structure is not very good unless we see at least this area, and this will act as a deviation and then pump to the upside. So for now, the structure is still weak. This is about a lit. And let's go to BTC again. So BTC is looking at, if we talk about BTC, right, BTC is again within this wedge, right? BTC is again within this wedge. No any deviation. For now, I don't know why I don't like to open any new long position. Although we are in this area where we can look to, where we can take any long position, like we can take, but it's a 15-minute time frame and it's very fragile structure, and not because we wanted to go long and we take a long trade. Right now, no has such confirmation. We have no candle closing above this specific wedge here. The price may be showing that there is a strength, but I don't think so. There is a strength, and it can definitely lose this. I will wait. I will wait. For now, we don't have any closing. 3-minute time frame. Come on. Now we are taking a 3 minute time frame, looks somehow bullish, right? It looks somehow bullish. Do you want me? Do you want? Hello, guys. Can you hear me? So now the price is pumping. Do you guys want me to long? On the retest, we can look for some long. But personally, I don't like this reaction. For now, the price is pumping to the upside. No new long trade. I will definitely wait until a trade is given. For now, I'm not in any long position or any trade. I will wait. I will surely wait. This is my what you say. This is my exchange. No trades currently on this. Let's wait. Let's wait. Look at this, the price is dumping again. On 3 minute time frame, it looks like a long trade. On 3 minute time frame, it actually looks like a long trade. Personally, I don't like these sort of trades, right? I don't like these sort of trades, but we don't have a lot of structures given here, no as such trigger as well. So we don't have a lot of data to trade actually. This is an SFP. No as such trade so far on New York session. I will still wait for another. We can long here. We can surely long here. But it's definitely going to be very risky. Why it is going to be risky? Because the structure is very fragile. And if we take any long trade right now, should we take a long trade? It's definitely very bullshit price action. No, like my plan, I told you guys, my plan is very simple and straight. My plan is that we lose this low, right? Then we go for some sort of a long trade. Until then, I'm not interested. But there is nothing as such on 1 hour or something, or like on 3 minute time frame. I cannot take a trade, and it's looking very bullshit, to be very honest. But if it is like, if you guys want me to take a long, I will take a long, and it's in front of you guys. Do you guys want me to take a long? It is some sort of a breakout. The lower liquidity is taken out. This is a breakout retest. If we go above this area, then we can definitely long. So for now, do you guys want me to take a long trade? Because if I take a long trade, it can straight shoot down, which is definitely possible because the New York session is pumping at the start. Later on, it dumps to the downside. It is possible. Do you guys want me to take a long trade? Do you guys want me to take a long trade, guys? Do you guys want me to take a long trade? Let's take a long trade. Mm, let's take a long trade, guys. Is it a limit order? Come on, market price. Let's go. Guys, it's a very weak shit structure. If we don't go above here and if we don't see this, then we can dump. As long as we don't see this, it's still a fragile structure. It's still a very fragile structure. I really don't like these sort of trades. As long as we don't go above this, it's still a very weak structure. This is my personal trade. I took it. I will show you. We go above this, then we pump. It is risky, right? I will personally not share this in my VIP Discord because I don't like this. I really don't like this, but I will still take it for you guys for entertainment. This is my trade. It's definitely in loss right now. I don't like it. I will still wait for this. I will still wait for this. This is my long. Something like this. This is my personal long trade. This is what I will share in my VIP Discord as well. Around 88k to 88.5k. This is where I will look for a long trade. Personally, this is the shit trade which I took just for you guys, and we will see how it plays out. But for me, I don't think so it plays out. We have no candle closing. Like, we have nothing here. We have nothing here. On 15-minute time frame, we don't have anything else. If we don't close above within like 3 seconds, like 30 seconds, if we don't close within this area, I don't think so we have anything left on BTC. We have to close above this area to confirm that there is some sort of a breakout structure. Like, there is something which has like 11 seconds here. Let's see if we break out. But for now, we already have an SFP, right? As long as you don't go above 91k, bulls are not in control. Bulls are not in control for sure. Like, for now, one good thing is that we have a candle closing above here, but we have to go above 91k, or else the price is not going to follow and the price is going to dump to the downside. This is the thing. Guys, you guys want me to cover anything else for you guys? For now, I'm definitely looking lower. This trade I took is only for this, that if I don't miss out this thing. Maybe I lost maybe I can consider it a loss, but it is only to avoid any front run. But it is still not in loss. It is still trying to hold above, but I told you guys, as long as we don't go above 91k, longs are very weak. Longs are very weak. Nothing above 91k, we can go down even further. I don't know, the stream is very boring. You guys don't even ask a question. Come on. Hello. Do you guys have any new trade or any new thing? I guess I should wait. I will definitely wait. I will definitely wait, guys. Let's go. If I see a pump, I will also look for a short. If we see a pump, I will look for a short here. For now, it's not looking very well. Let me show you something else where I will look for a new short trade. Let's see. You didn't read, bro? I read what? But, but, got it. Then after the local bottom, we can see a relief before a major downside. If we see, let me show. If we see a dump, right? If we see a local bottom, I personally think that BTC will definitely bottom between 60k to 48k. We can definitely see a bottom. So if we see a bottom into that area, right? If we see a bottom into that area specifically, then I personally think that the dump is over. Then we can see a recovery. There is no as such like thing which you can call pump or dump or whatever, right? So guys, if we see any major pump, right? If we see any major pump right now currently, if we see any major pump, I will look for some sort of a short trade within this order block, right? Within this order block. We will see. For now, I am looking exactly at this thing. If we see a pump, I will look for some sort of a short trade, and it's still possible. For now, majorly, this is the range. We are definitely within the range, and after the range, like, there is a lot of weakness. Definitely very weakness. Like, I was personally yesterday when it was pumping to the upside, I was looking for a short trade here, but it didn't get it. Like, we don't reach this specific area. We didn't reach this specific area here. If I see another pump from here, I can look for some sort of a scalp trade within this area. So this is what I will look at right now. Right? This is something I am looking at. Within this specific area, from 84.88.5k to 88k, I am looking for a long trade as well. And here I will look for a short trade. For now, the structure is very bullshit. Let me show you. The structure is very bullshit, to be very honest. It's not something which is very good to be traded, right? Look at this now. Something like this. This is very poor structure. Getting a rejection here at this 4 hour, 1 hour FEG, right? This is a 1 hour FEG. So something we are getting a rejection right after it. Nothing is happening. This is the thing. Brother, I am from Pakistan. Do you know which place basically is this? Do you guys hear me properly? Just tell me this. Do you guys hear me? Where is our shit trade? Let's get to that shit trade. Come on. Should we close it? What you guys say? I personally think it can bounce, but I don't like it. To be very honest, I told you guys I don't like it. At least into this area, this is what I personally want from it. At least into this area. But I told you guys, if there is any strength in this shit, right? If there is any strength, it should go above 91k. And if it goes about if it goes above 91k, then there is like we can pump it all the way up to 92k as well. But for now, it's very weak. And secondly, I told you guys these are my triggers. These are my triggers for BTC. Let's pump it. Come on, just show something. Just show something. At least show me something, my friend. Come on. Look at this. Should we close this trade? What you guys say? Like, it is very meaningless trade. The only why I am taking this trade, at least first of all for entertainment, one thing, while the second thing is that if it pumps, what I personally think it should pump here and then dump again. So if it pumps to the upside, I want to catch this move basically. This is what is the complete purpose of this trade. Let's see, it's still in profits. Come on. It is still, if you guys have any question, you guys can definitely ask me. Right? You guys can definitely ask me. This is the area which we should reclaim. The trade is in profits. Come on. Such a cursed trade. Hi bro, I'm from India, so I definitely know my neighbor country. Yeah, so you are my neighbor, right? Just support me, brother. Come on, just support me. Do you guys want me to close this trade? What you guys say? It is like 3 RR trade. If I lose this, I lose this. If we don't go above, what you guys say? Let me close it. Do you guys want me to close it? Come on. Anybody who took this trade with me? Is there anyone who took this trade with me? Such a bullshit trade. So let's find other opportunities other than this. So guys, these are the two triggers which I will definitely look at on BTC. Boring PA, just moving between a small range. Definitely we support. Thanks for this. I don't like this PA, to be very honest. I was very patient all weekend, no trades. And the only trade which I will take here is, let me show you. The only trade which I take here and I am definitely looking at is definitely few areas here. So this specific box, let me extend this box all the way up to this area. So this is what I will definitely look. This is my first order, right? This is my first short area. This is something which I will definitely look at. So this is specific first short area, and if I show you something, come on. If we take from this low, the next long, which what I'm personally looking at is basically this golden pocket. Come on. Look at this. This is a perfect area which I will definitely look at. So this is a perfect thing which I'm definitely looking at right now. Let's talk about ranges here. So you see this, some around this area. I don't like this, to be very honest. I really don't like this. There is no has such good trades. Look at this. We are getting a rejection right out of this volume area high. So for now, if I show you, we are getting a rejection at this 1 hour OB, 1 hour FEG, and also volume area high. If we don't flip volume area high, you guys will see the price coming back to this POC and volume area low. Yes, brother. Like this is what I personally think at. Right now, we don't have a lot of thing to do. Right now, like this structure is not very sufficient. The only thing, the only thing right here is this support. This is the support. This is the support on 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame specifically. If we hold this support, we can pump. But overall, if you see this, right? Overall, if you see this, we don't have a lot of things to do. We don't really have, like, the structure is very weak. So any small rejection, any small move is getting a very good rejection. Look at this. By we just tap. Like this is a small resistance area. We just tapped this specific area and we saw a dump to the downside. It's actually a very weak thing. There is a CME gap at 88 as far as I remember. Yeah, there is a gap. There is a sure gap and there is a golden pocket here. So I am definitely looking at this golden pocket as well. But for now, let's see. The overall structure is balanced. Look on 1 hour time frame on LTF. The overall structure is balanced. These lows are swept. These highs are swept. We have a FEG. Overall, we have this imbalance, a little bit imbalance. That's why I took a long trade. I am personally thinking if we pump, then we can see a rejection. So the only thing which I took, why I took that pump, why I took that long trade with you guys, is if we pump to fill out this imbalance, so we caught that pump, right? This is the only reason behind it. For now, we are definitely very boring, but it is what it is. The overall lows are taken out. This high is taken out. This low is taken out. So there is no as such liquidity to the upside or to the downside. But the only thing left in this structure is personally, let me remove every single thing. The overall thing left, let me clean. Like I always used to trade very clean. The only area, right? The only thing which is left within this all structure is this order block, because order block definitely carries a liquidity as well. and we have this FEG within this specific area. So we have this in FEG and order block liquidity. Let's mark this as a liquidity, right? As mark this liquidity, and then we have this imbalance. We have this imbalance. That's why I went for the long trade currently. And I guess it's very minor thing. It's a very minor thing. I told you guys, if we go above 91k, above this area, then we have this thing that it can pump to the upside. This specific area, we need a good closing above this area, then we can see a small relief. But if we don't see anything right now, I am not seeing anything. I'm personally not seeing anything. What do you see, bro, when you take a particular trade, like overall? Let me show you something. If I talk about overall, right? If you see a overall thing when I take a long trade. So specifically, let's get to this current trade. Suppose I was exactly sleeping when it happened, actually, right? When it happened, actually, let me show you. So I also took this long trade as well. For now, at first, this was the resistance, right? Suppose this is the how I take a trade. Resistance, 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 right? And we left the order block before the impulse to the upside. So whenever we will turn back to this order block, it will act as a good support, right? So I marked this order block as well. I marked this order block as well. Now I have an order block, I have a support turning into a resistance, right? And when the price reach this specific area, I go to a smaller time frame. So when I go to a smaller time frame, right? So I come back to this smaller time frame specifically. Now I go to the RSI, right? I go to the RSI. This is the SFP, 15-minute bullish structure. This is the SFP within the 15-minute. We have this higher lows on the 15-minute on the RSI, but lower lows on the RSI. This is a bullish divergence. So I have a SFP within the support. That is an order block, right? And we have this SFP. I look for a long trade, simple. This is some sort of a retest and then again pump. So this is how I execute my trade. I find a good confluence, a good specific area, and then when the price is coming back to that exact level, I go for some sort of a long trade. Like at least I need a smaller time frame specific, what you say. Smaller time frame, this shit trade is also in profits. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's take the first TP here. LFG. Let's go. The only trade which we took is definitely in profit. Now I have some sort of a thing. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Here we are. Let's go. I hope so. Let me know who is in with me. Just let me know who is in with me. Let's go. I told you guys it's still a shit trade, but the only trade which I can see is this one. And it's in front of you guys. Let's go. I hope so it makes sense now. This is the trade, the current trade which we took together, and now the trade is in profits. The only trade which I saw was this within this current structure, and definitely here we are. And I hope so it makes sense. Perfect. Now take the half TP here. Just take a half TP, move SL to break even. Move SL to break even, fam. Let's go. Let's go. Close half TP here, and then let's move the SL to break even. Let's move SL to break even, fam. Do you guys hear me? Do you guys hear me? Let's go. Close, the trade is close half, and then we move the SL to break even. Here is the trade, right? Here is the trade. Where the hell I can close it? This is the trade which is definitely in profit. It is in front of you guys, right? Let's go. Closed half. Let me close. Let's come on. Where I can close this shit? Where the hell I can close this? I don't know. Let me close this in my phone. I will close this trade in my phone now. Some good profits made today, right? I will close this trade on my phone. Let's go. Let's go. Closed my trade. Now, this is what I was talking about, the retest. And the retest is in front of you guys. Right? Come on, let me show you this. The retest is in front of you guys. If you hold this retest as a breakout retest, then we can definitely hold it. Right? For now, the SL is into break even. Everything is going perfect. If we hold this, we can pump even further. If we hold this, we can pump even further. Let's go. The only trade which we took today, and it's definitely in profits. It can go even further up. The trigger was not very okay. Like the trigger was not very clear, to be very honest. I told you guys I don't. If you guys see me, and I never, to be very honest with you guys, I never trade with this sort of wedge and breakout. I never do this breakout trading. I wait for triggers, like I wait for my triggers. And for now, we have to take a trade because we were within the stream, and this was the only trade which I saw, and it's in front of you guys. We will do. I will try to be active every single day. I will try to be active every single day so we can trade together. And sometimes we usually don't see this sort of a shit price action. We usually see some sort of a good triggers on different weeks, and you guys can exactly see this, right? You guys can definitely see this. That let me get to 1 minute time frame. So what I showed you here, right? What I showed you, that we will break out, we will do a bullish retest. Now the bulls are in control. Now the bulls are in control. Now I am okay with it somehow. Let's see. I hope so you guys are enjoying. Anybody took along, just tell me this. Anybody here just took this long trade with me? Anyone took this long trade with me? Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. I did and added screen on X. Thanks, mate. Let people make money and join your group. I took it, bro. Already TP'd though. Just show me your PNL. Come on. Just show me your PNL. If you guys are not in my Discord, just join my Discord first. Right? Just join my Discord. Thanks. It's definitely good to see people making money. Right? They say like how a person online can make you money. If you guys are not in my Discord, join my Discord, right? Surely, and then just send your PNLs, brother. Nice, nice. Let's go. I like this. I like this. We will make money together every single day. And I will try to be active usually on my YouTube. The only thing which will definitely push me is also some sort of an engagement. I will definitely love it. I will definitely love this thing. So for now, we are definitely within this long trade, and everything is going well. Do you guys have any other thing to show, like any coin which I can definitely look at, or any other trade which you guys are personally taking? Show me that thing. We will see that together. If you guys have any questions or something, like if you guys have if you guys are looking at any other coin other than this, you guys can definitely. We were looking at lit. So let's see what and where lit is. So I told you guys, if we don't see anything above this area, right? So I will not look as such. It will not look very interesting to me. Soul, soul is triggered. It is risky, guys. It is surely risky. If BTC try to pump, it will pump as well. But you guys can definitely risk it if you guys want to. But it is risky. I will say it is surely very risky. Right, this one is risky now. Because let me show you something. Why it is risky? The plan is definitely simple. The plan is definitely simple for now, because we already took a deep somehow dive. We didn't got triggered, right? We didn't got triggered. For now, we if there is like this thing, this thing is looking for a like a breaker. This is a breaker. Like this was a support order block. It didn't held here. Now it is acting as a resistance. For now, this is risky, but it's still valid. If you ask me, there is any trade on Sol, I will show you this. I will not long at basically this resistance. Personally, it's your choice if you guys want to take it, but it's now your choice. But basically, this is happening overall. So our trade is in profits. Finally. Now let me show you something. Like, do you guys understand this? I told you guys, whenever, like, suppose this is a breakout, retest, we need to break above this area, then do a retest, and then pump to the upside. This is one thing which you guys must understand, and this is something which I taught you guys today. Right now, specifically, when we break above this area, when we broke above this area, We got a retest. Now the price is somehow recovering, which shows a strength in the structure. And this is what you guys must be looking at. For now, this is the thing which is happening. Great. As I'll move to break even, what I will personally want, I will definitely personally want the price to break down, right? The price to break down within this area back. I will personally want the price to break down even further right now, because I took one profit, right? I just made some good profits, and not good profits, but just profits. So I just make some small amount of profits here, and if we pump, I will look for a short within this area, as I told you guys. But let's see. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, thanks for the trades which you took. Nice. Nice. Like if I go long and nobody takes some trade, or like I just make like I just make some profits by myself, I don't like it. I personally don't like this sort of thing. But if you guys made some profits, it's definitely a very good thing. Let me clean the chart. I don't like this mess charts. So this is the overall thing which is happening on BTC. Come on. Let's see. Let's see where it goes. Right? Let's see where it goes. We will try to make more trades as well, if it is given. Like if the trade is not given today, the trade was very risky, to be very honest with you guys. I personally don't like these sort of trades. I usually wait for a period of time, and then when it is given, then I get into some sort of these trades. I personally don't like going like I just want to trade and then I go for that trade. I personally don't like these sort of trades. I wait personally, I wait, and then when it is given on my triggers, I personally set triggers. Then only I trade. I don't just trade randomly. Like out of nowhere, I just want to trade and then I just take some sort of trades. I personally don't. I don't like that style. Let's go. It's still a small trade, but a trade is a trade. Always, a trade is a trade. It's very easy. Now, personally, after this long, uh, let me shape my another triggers for BTC. So when it is given, we will look for some sort of a long trade. Right? Now let's shape our new trigger on BTC. Come on. Let's see. Price is pumping. Price is pumping. Let's go. But for now, we will look for something else. Let's go. For now, as I told you, we will look for some sort of a trade. Let's see. We are bouncing, and I will personally look for a short trade, right? For a short trade within this specific area. Let me show you. Are you guys seeing it, right? You guys are definitely seeing this specific thing. So I will personally wait for this specific area, go for a short trade if it is given. Right? This is the long trade which we took together. You guys see this? It went up, retested, now the price is pumping. It is very bullish, and this is what I was talking about, right? And the results are in front of you guys. It is definitely pumping. Right now, currently, this is where I will look for some sort of a trade, short trade, or anything. This is what I will look at. Let's see. This is what I will look at, right? Who will enter another short with me? Now we are like, this is not a good thing. This is not a good thing because like we are over trading now. This is also an FEG here below this structure. This is an FEG, right? So we have an FEG within this area, and I will personally look for some sort of a short trade. Let's see. I will look for a short trade, right? I will look for a short trade. Like I will risk $1,000 move. I will risk $1,000 move. Now again, come on, what is this? Now again, I will try. Like for now, the good thing would be we see something like I usually trade like if we see these highs, then I personally like this sort of trade. Like for now, I will short. I personally want the price. Right, come on. I personally want the price to form some sort of a. Let me show you. I want the price to form some sort of a bearish divergence, and this is where I will definitely look for a long trade, short trade specifically. Let me show you. This is how it will look like. Yesterday we didn't hit specifically what you say. We didn't hit. Uh, Guys, we didn't specifically hit this thing, this golden pocket, right? We didn't hit this golden pocket. Come on. We didn't hit this golden pocket. So what I will want is that this is a rejection. This is an area of a rejection, but a better trade would be if we see this. Do you see this? I want us to test this golden pocket, then dump to the downside. So it's going to be like more conviction added into this area. So that is specifically what I will personally want. This is something which I will want. I personally want this. I want the price to hit this area and then dump to the downside. But either way, if we don't see anything like this, I want to get short here. Then if I short here, my SL would be definitely within this area. But a good trade would be like to take out those SLs and then dump to the downside. So now we have two trades. Personally, the one which is definitely here, right, which I definitely shared with you guys here, while the other one is that we take out the what you say these highs and then take out exactly whatever it is, then dump to the downside. This is what I personally want BTC to do. Like some sort of this thing. Right? Now, if anybody wants to short, you must target 91.8k zone, and if it's going to go short in this area, then he must short SL would be at 92.8k. Right? So like this is the only thing which I personally think is valid for a BTC. Guys, the stream is boring. You guys are not saying anything. What is this behavior? Come on. What is this behavior? If you guys are doing this, then I will do only streams in my VIP community. Come on. Oh, the exact thing is here. Let's go. Do you guys want me to analyze anything for you? Come on. Do you guys want me to analyze anything for you? Anything you are in or anything you want to trade? Just let me know in the comment section so we can do that. Let's go. Do you guys like the stream? Like, do you guys like my stream? And do you guys want me to do it every single day? Specifically at New York Times, like New York Open, sorry, not New York Times. New York Times is some sort of a newspaper or magazine. Let's see. Come on. How about gold? Anybody is in gold? Right? Is anybody in gold? So guys, I will personally want BTC. I will look for a short here. I will extend my SL here, right? I will look for another short trade again here. So I will do one short specific. It's going to be my one single short trade, right? One single short trade with some sort of a wide SL, and I will have a two entries, right? I will have two entries specifically, and let me extend it down to 88.5k where our initial target was. So this is something which we should take. Are you guys interested in this shot? Come on, hell. What is this? So here, do you guys want me to trade it? Like I will personally want this trade, right? I personally want the trade. Let me show you. A BTC short trade, right? Come on. BTC short trade. Entry is going to be 91.8k to 92.8k. And if you guys want, right, if you guys want, what you guys can do is that you guys can wait for 92.8k if you guys are not as such interested. Come on. Okay, so guys, if you guys want, is it okay now? Is it okay now? Can you guys hear me properly? Can you guys hear me? So guys, specifically, you guys can either take, like, let me explain it to you. So if we go above 91.8k is a short trade. SL would be 92.8k. Simple. If you guys want to be on the safer hands, then you guys can wait for 92.8k to go for a short, right? Or either you guys can definitely take a first entry here, second entry here, then wait for the downside. And SL would be definitely, come on, SL would be definitely around 93.8k or 93.6k. This is something which we can definitely look after now. Right, this is something which we can definitely look after. Let me remove this mess. Such a mess now. This is the short trade. This is the short trade. This is the short trade which we are in, like which we will definitely take if it is given. For now, we are in this long trade. As you guys know, we are within this long trade. Great. Let's see what happens. Guys, just let me know the reason behind just let me know. Come on. Guys, just let me know that what is the basic reason and why you guys are here. Just let me know this in the comment box. Like, why you guys are trading? You guys want to make money? What you guys want to do? What I personally think and what I personally want, like the reason behind all of my trading and why I am here in front of you guys, I just want my family to have a good life. I just want my wife to have a good life. I just want my kids to have a good life. And I also just want myself to have a good life. And the reason behind is specifically my wife. Obviously. Why you guys are here? Just tell me this. You guys need to find a reason to trade. And for me, I told you what's the reason. Surely my wife. Just let me know. Find a good reason to trade. And then you guys will make some good amount of money. If you guys don't trade, right? If you guys don't trade for a good reason. You guys cannot make money. Find a reason. At first, you guys need to find a reason. Want to know the market structure analysis and want to earn the and help the poor people. That's great. But to want to know the market structure analysis, I'm not asking about what you want to know, like what you want to know. Why you guys are trading? You guys need to make money? What? Do you guys want to make money? Like, you guys want what? Like for your family, for yourself, what it is? What basically is the need? Like, why you guys need to trade? You guys can go and do something else. Why trading? That's the question. That is the basic question. Why you guys want to trade? Right? Let's go. Perfect. Had a great stream, right? We had this great stream, which is perfect. Now let's set a limit, right? Where we want to short. We were willing to short at 91 and $810 or $800 specifically, right? Now let's go short. Let's go short with a half BTC, right? Or more. How much? You guys want me to short it with how much volume? Let's go short with some around half BTC. This is a limit trade. It is in front of you guys. Come on. Can we get this? Can we get this? Right? This is our short trade. Let's go. Come on. This is our, like, this is what I will be definitely looking at on BTC right now. Come on. BTC, give me the move. I don't want any bullshit. This is the exact move for BTC. Come on. It is risky, but everything is risky, and you guys know this. What else is not risky? Taking no trade, like staying at home is risky. Taking no trades is risky. Doing any bullshit is risky. Everything is risky. Let's go. I told you guys, let me show you something. Let me give you something. For now, there is no has such liquidity to the downside, but still, if there is anything left, this is going to be my trade, and I will see. I will definitely see this here. Right? This is specifically the reason behind my trade. The reason behind my trade is very simple. Let's go. You guys can definitely hedge against your long if you guys want to. So if even it hits your SL, it will not harm you that much. Right? It's not going to harm you in a bad way. Right? So it's not going to harm you in a bad way. Come on. This is the current trade which is definitely running, and if it pumps it, if it pumps, it pumps. And this was actually not that bad trade which I was talking about, that it's a bad trade. This it played out well. It played out enough well. Let's see. Only 5 people are watching me. What the heck? But we don't care. We see and we don't care because we want to make money. We see and we don't judge. This is what they say, right? This is what she said, right? We listen and we don't judge. Something like this. We listen and we don't judge. This is what we are talking about. BTC got stopped overnight. Come on. Let's see. Let's see, guys. Let's see if we can get it or not. It's a simple plan. We are not overcomplicating it. Very simple plan. Overall, we have this long trade, right? We have this long trade. Specifically, I want for the price to reject from here. I want for the price to reject from here. While the other plan is, right, let me show you. Let me remove this. Come on, let's not remove this. Let's draw it on the other shit. Right. I was like all of the weekend I was looking for this thing, and it didn't actually happen. It actually did not happen. So for now, if I show you, this actually sits exactly at the very good resistance zone. Do you see where I'm looking for a short? At the very good level. So for now, this is the overall short area. Come on. This is the sweep. This is the deviation. This is the deviation. It can be a deviation retest dump. But we have to see what happens. So that was one short trade, right? The second short trade is definitely here, which I showed you guys. Let's see. Come on. So something like this. Something like this. This is another short trade which we can look at on BTC because of what? Because of, come on, it's already hitting this area. There is no as such bearish divergence, right? There is no as such bearish divergence. If we see this is the lows, these are the higher lows on, this is a bullish divergence basically. For now, I don't want to say that our long or short is in danger. Is it in danger? Is our short in danger? Let's see it. Come on. It is this long trade. Come on. Come on. This was basically a great trade. It played out to be a great trade. It played out to be a great trade, but let's see. We are pumping. We are pumping very badly. Now, if we don't see a major rejection here, right? Close like 30p here. Just close 30p of this long. Close 30p here. And forget about bullshit. As it's very hard to trade this shit. Exactly. Do you guys understand this? It is very hard to trade, to be very honest. It is not an easy thing. It is not an easy thing. Right? So guys, I am here short. It's in profits. Let me show you. It triggers. Let me show you guys. Let's go. This is in profits. The short trade is in profits. Come on. LFG. Where the hell it is? Let's go. It's in profits. LFG. Come on. Come on, my friend. Come on. Let's go. The trade is in profits. I don't care if you make money or not, but it is in profits. If you guys just take the trade, it's in profits. The results are in front of you guys here for now, but we need to hold it. We just need to hold it. That's what we want, because we had a great buying pressure here. We had this great pump. For now, this is something which we may don't want. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Dump it. It is risky. It is risky, but you guys can definitely risk previous trades, right? It is risky, but it is valid. I don't know. I don't know what's your risk management, right? What is your risk management? But let's see. Personally, I was looking at this thing. Let me show you where I was talking about that trade. So personally, I was looking for this thing. This one. This is what I was looking at. So I talked about this as well. For now, we are short, right? Don't get me stopped out. 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 Come on. Let's go. Please. Please don't liquidate me. Please don't liquidate me. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. We are dumping to the downside. What you guys know about this? How weird we are going. Can we dump to the downside? Can we dump to the downside? Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's fucking go. No bullshit, my friend. No fucking bullshit. I should not say some bad words. I should not say some bad words. I should not say some bad words. Because when I'm very happy, things don't go my way. This is what I will say. Things don't go my way. Come on. What is this behavior? What the heck is this? Price is pumping and the price is pumping and the price is not stopping. Come on. Bitcoin had short trade. Bitcoin head short. This is a head short against over long. Right? What is this? This is a head short trade against over long trade. So if it pumps, right? If it pumps, against long trade. Let's go. I'm tired of this shit now. I'm tired of this. I'm tired of this. It's going to be great if we catch this. Do you guys want to risk it for or not? You guys want to risk it or not? You guys want is going to print. What? Guys, we need a good rejection, or else it is going to shoot through everything. Should we close this short trade? What you guys say? Should we close this? We just hold long and don't mess. Or we should take long, like we should hold this long trade, short trade specifically. Come on. Should we, what should we do? Just tell me now. Hello, guys. Let's see. Let's see, guys. Don't hate me for anything. Let's come on. Come on. Do you guys hear me? Do you guys hear me? It is getting very boring right now. It's a triple tap setup, right? It's a triple tap setup, but for now, this is first tap. This is a second tap. Now this is a deviation retest, third tap of the resistance before we go down. Come on. Dump it. Dump it to the downside. I don't want any bullshit. I just really don't want any bullshit. Just down. Just go down because I decided to go down, so it will go down. Just be with this belief and it will go down. It's that simple. I said it will go down, so it will go down. Come on. You guys are in profit. Personally, what I want to say is that you guys are in profits. If you guys want to close it and you guys don't want to risk it, so you guys can, but let's see. Trust me, a lot of guys are scared to take a trade. You guys know this. A lot of people are very, very scared, my friend. People are scared, to be very honest with you guys. People are scared. People are scared. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, let me give you a quick idea, right? Let me give you a quick idea. If we don't break above this, we will break down from here, right? If we don't break above this and we pump, and now we can look for either rejection here or either a rejection here. Come on, it is not showing some sort of good signs. Something like this. Let's see. So we have two triggers, very simple. Let's see. I told you it is triple tap setup, right? It is triple tap setup, and we will dump. We will dump. Let's go. Be a part of the legacy. Be a part of the legacy. Come on, it's not going to pump, I guess. It is not willing to pump. My friends. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, my friend, don't go up. Please, 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 my friend, don't go up. I don't care now. Guys, we are in this trade. Personally, like, right? Personally, we are currently, like, within a short and long, we should dump from here. If we start to get accepted above this resistance, then it's not going to be good. It is not going to be good. Right? So different shit is happening altogether. Let's go. Dump it from here. Dump it from here. Dump it from here. Dump it from here like this. Back to the zone. For me, for nobody, just for me, because I said this. Let's dump it. Come on. I need some volume, brother and sister. I need volume. I need volume. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Is it going to be this much great? I am going to be this much great that I will catch every single move? Come on. But M pattern will play out. We will have to wait for a bit. Let's see. Let's see. Come on. Come on. You guys don't need to panic. 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 Let's go. Dump it to the downside. I don't give a shit. I just don't give a shit. If I don't give a shit, then why BTC is going to give a shit? Brother and sister. Why you guys are... Come on. Just come on. Look at this. We took this short and now the trade is happening. Now the trade is happening. Dump it. Brothers and sisters. My brothers and their sisters. Just dump it. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Brother, what is this behavior? Like it start to go down and then it backs up. It start to go down and then it backs up. It start to go down and then it backs up. Come on. I cannot wait. I'm tired of waiting. I am just tired of waiting. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. So guys, let's see. Let's see. Where is M pattern? I don't understand. Ah, you are talking about this M pattern. You are talking about this M pattern. This is what pattern? Let's go. Come on. I just hate it. When it goes like this, it's very boring for me. Let's go to 1 minute time frame and let's decide the destiny of BTC. Let's decide the destiny of BTC on 1 minute time frame. Let's go, guys. We need to go below this. We just need to go below this before anything down. Like if it has to go down, then it has to go down. Right? This is how it should look like. 1 minute time frame. Now the the thing is we are this much goated that we will go down on 1 minute time frame. And now the trade is in profits. Let's go. Let's go. Let me remove this bullshit. Come on, dump to the downside. Just dump to the downside. We need to dump below this. Don't pump, dump. We need to see this. Right? We need to see this. We went down $200. If you shorted with me, you went in profits. This is what I know. This is what I know in short. Guys, now I don't. If we don't go above this, it can pump. Very simple. But just listen, just watch this, that it got a rejection exactly at my level. You see this? This is what you guys should appreciate. This is what you guys should appreciate. Come on. This is what I was talking about. I was definitely in the other screen. What I was talking about is that we need to break these lows. No break, no dump. If we don't break, we will pump. So not a good trade. Come on, I just want straight dump. If we don't see any dump like this, then there is no as such structure. But the only thing which I want to say is right here that it exactly rejected at my level. It exactly rejected at my level. Right? This is what you guys should appreciate. 1 minute time frame. So we are definitely trading in 1 minute time frame. So guys, we caught the long today. Now our short is at break even. If you exit from here, you guys are in profit, right? If you exit here, you are in profit. It dumped almost like how much? Like like 200 or something. Guys, I'm very hungry now. I'm very hungry. I'm very hungry. I just need to eat something. It's definitely going in loss now. Come on. Where is our legendary trade? This is the legendary trade. Legendary. Gold is pumping. Silver is at all-time highs. Everything is pumping. I told you guys, I want the price to go below this, like this. I want the price to go like this. If we hold above this specific level, then on LTF, I don't see any recovery, right? On LTF, we are not seeing any sort of a recovery then. Come on. It's not looking good, I guess. It is not looking good. I guess we are getting wrecked live. I have no loss. This is the loss in front of you guys. I'm not hiding anything from you guys. My plan was very simple, right? I guess it's not working out for us. It went down at the first, but right now, specifically, I told you guys it's not something which I really want, right? I don't like this. Well, if we see this, it is going for a full TP. The long we took is definitely going for a full TP here. The hedge short didn't play out. The hedge short didn't play out. Let's see. So guys, you guys can exactly see this. We are not have such dumping. This is the loss, right? This is the current loss, and we made more profits with long as well, right? So that's the current way. This is what exactly happening. If it retest back into this area, right? If it retests back into this area, then you guys can definitely close the trade if you guys want to, right? You guys can definitely close this trade. This is what I will say. I know I don't like this sort of a reaction. Usually whenever there is a good reaction, we see a dump. We had the dump, like we had the dump of like $200 or $300, but I personally don't like this sort of trades, and I hold it for a longer period of time and then they go down, this and that, whatever. It is like just a small move. It's a very small move. If you see this, right? If you see this, it's a move of almost like $260, and I really don't think so. It's a big move. It's really not a big move. So if even you close here, then it's still okay. But I will try to close this trade at break even. All right. Maybe it goes down very badly. Maybe it can go down very badly, but what I want is I don't want this sort of a, like, I just don't like this sort of a reaction. Personally, I don't like this reaction. I really don't like this reaction. Let's see. Let's see now. Let's see now. You guys can move your take profits into entry. Whenever the entry is hit, it will close instantly. This is what you guys can do. Right? This is what you guys can do. No, such good thing is happening here. I don't like this. Like maybe you can consider a very small 5 minute bearish divergence here. But we need to break down fast. Right? If there is a breakdown, we need to break down fast. I don't like it. Something like this. I don't like it. Bullshit. Just dump it. Just do something. Like just wrecked me or just dump. Come on. The heck? The heck is this? Come on, come on. Guys, I am going to eat something and I am very hungry and I will leave the trade as it is. Right? I will leave the trade as it is. Come on. Just dump.